Mortgage basics provide the foundation to understand home loans. These loans are used by many people when they want to buy a home but cannot afford the full price upfront. Learning the fundamentals helps you make informed decisions about financing a home. A mortgage is a loan specifically used to buy a home. When you take out a mortgage, you borrow money from a lender like a bank. You promise to pay back what you borrowed over time, usually by making monthly payments. The home you buy is used as security or collateral for the loan. When you get a mortgage loan, the lender provides you with a set amount of money to purchase your home. You agree to repay this loan in monthly installments, which include paying back the money borrowed plus interest. Interest is the cost the lender charges you for borrowing the money. A mortgage has two main parts, the principal and the interest. The principal is the amount of money you borrow from the lender. The interest is the fee charged by the lender for providing you the loan. Together, principal and interest make up the largest part of your monthly mortgage payments. The principal is the original amount of money borrowed from the lender to buy the house. Each monthly payment you make includes a part that reduces this principal amount until it is fully paid off. Interest is the cost of borrowing money from the lender. It is expressed as a percentage rate, called the interest rate. Your monthly payment includes interest charges based on the remaining loan balance. Monthly mortgage payments usually cover both the principal and the interest. At first, the interest portion is larger, but as you repay the principal, the amount of interest you pay each month decreases over time. Key mortgage terms include principal, which is the loan amount borrowed, interest, which is the cost of borrowing, and monthly payments, which are the regular amounts paid to cover both principal and interest over time. Understanding these terms is essential for managing a mortgage effectively.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.